Welcome back. I'm Christina Eberhardt, and I'm here with Rick Bauerly, founder and CEO of Granite. Hi, Rick.
Hello, Christina.
How did it feel to be featured this morning at the keynote?
Well, you know, it's a wonderful community. We're happy to be a part of it.
We're certainly happy that you are a part of it. As we were saying earlier, you've been a NetSuite partner for 20 years.
Yes, 20 years. We got started day one of our holding company, 2002. We were on NetLedger at the time, now of course NetSuite.
Well, we're looking forward to hearing about that incredible journey. Can you tell us first about your portfolio of companies at Granite?
Yes, so Granite Partners is a holding company, and we acquire businesses, great businesses, when their owners are looking to retire and transition the business. And so we then buy those companies. And over these 20 years, we've now assembled a family of 10 operating businesses that we're very proud of.
And how many of those companies in your portfolio use NetSuite CPQ?
Today, about half of the companies, 5 of the companies are on NetSuite, and the rest are planned with an implementation over the next 12 and 24 months. And Deloitte's helping us bring NetSuite into all of the companies over time. And today, 2 of the companies are using NetSuite CPQ. And in time, that will likely grow to 8 or 9 of them as addressable for the CPQ capabilities.
So let's get into that. What inspired your team at RotoChopper to look into NetSuite CPQ?
Yes. RotoChopper is a great company that we're proud to be partners in, and almost 30 years old now. It's a leader in their business of providing horizontal grinders. That means they create mulch out of tree waste, and these very large capital equipment, $300,000, $500,000 machines, are very complex to configure. Many parts, many work orders. And they had systems for quoting, manufacturing, and accounting for these horizontal grinders that were separate. They were not integrated. So the main impetus was to find an integrated system that the executives could then see across in managing the business. CPQ and CRM up front are an important part of that value for the upfront work with customers and configuring.
And cumulatively, what have those changes meant?
Yes, so RotoChopper's a little less than a year in now with NetSuite and NetSuite CPQ. And what it's helped with already is more accurate information, more accurate product configuration, more accurate pricing, more accurate proposals into production and payment. So I call it the 5 Ps, accurate and well-designed products, prices, proposals, production, and payment.
And so it sounds to me that it's made life easier for your team. Has it also made it more profitable?
Well, the company is a profitable company, and it will stay a profitable company because it's a niche leader. It's really valued. And so I think the main benefits today are internal flow with all team members across sales and manufacturing and into accounting. And then the benefit to customers is greater speed to delivery because everything's done accurately the first time.
Wonderful. So how does your other portfolio company, Ultimate Medical, use CPQ?
Yes. Ultimate Medical is another great company that we're proud of, but a very different product. They make assistive standing devices for people with spinal cord injuries.
Wow.
Children, adolescents, or adults who are not able to stand on their own. And so they make a wheelchair type device that helps them stand every day as a prescription for better circulation, better respiration, better health. But every standing device should be configured to the person. A child needs a different size than an adult. Someone who's able to move can actually have accessories added so that it's like a glider or an elliptical machine. So there's a lot of configuration of the product, the price, the proposal, into production and through to payment. So that same pattern works well for serving customers accurately and quickly.
That is such important information. Thank you. How would you say that NetSuite CPQ ties in with all of your other NetSuite companies that are on NetSuite already?
Well, imagine a quoting system separate from your production system and separate from your accounting system.
Yep.
It's a path for inefficiency. It's a path for the Nike method of transferring information. A person working the system up here uses their Nikes to walk the information across to the manufacturing system, uses their Nikes to walk the information over to accounting. And so honestly, it's not good for harmony amongst team members.
Yes.
So we are feeling more harmony, more flow, more speed for customers, and we imagine a lot more of that as we move into more years of experience and as we move NetSuite CPQ across our companies.
Hearing you talk about someone physically walking those things through, it sounds so antiquated, especially in the world now being so technology forward. What have your employees said about using CPQ as well?
I think the early returns are positive.
Yeah.
Greater accuracy, greater velocity, greater visibility because of all of NetSuite's analytics.
Right.
We're getting more and better reports, key performance indicators, and visibility into the backlog, into the production process.
Gotcha. So what would you say to a company who is considering NetSuite CPQ for their own company?
Well, consider it earnestly.
Yeah.
And I would say that CPQ is applicable to many businesses, not just a few. And so any business that has value added in configuring a product or service or a solution, and that's many and most business models,
Right.
is adding value through upselling and cross-selling. So consider it, be earnest on how you implement it. We are working with great team members internally. We have Deloitte at our side. They're very effective in NetSuite implementations in general, as well as CPQ in particular. And so they help with the process of moving toward that future state that flows better for everyone.
Well, Rick, 20 years with NetSuite, you've got to have at least one good story from us. What's your favorite story about your NetSuite experience?
I'd say the greatest story is me, team members in our companies, just having a dashboard of information that they can manage and control their day, their work, add value to their team, add value to their mission. It's the visibility for decision making that helps us all.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you, Rick. This was great information. We appreciate you, and thank you for your partnership.